go up here to the Pilot Flying J and wait for our next load. I-30, crossing over this lake or reservoir here, west of, or east of Dallas, the Ray Hubbard Reservoir. There aren't more boats on it. It's in the low 50s. Fairly decent skies, no real rain. Rather sunny, the wind's not blowing too much. So not too bad. Right. We are at the Kenworth dealership here for LBJ Drive, or Freeway, whatever they want to call it. Here on the south side of Dallas. We are basically right on the, right next to the Schneider OC here in Dallas, which I've been to many a time, a couple times before. when I worked for Watkins Shepherd, which is part of Snyder. So when I saw that was what the address was, I said I'm pretty close to it. So basically, we're right next to it. All right. So we're gonna take our wallet, take our pen, take our phone, and we're gonna go here and check in. So we can get this taken care of, all the way over to here. Get that little one there taken care of. Basically, they're gonna have to replace the entire windshield. So I parked myself in a location, so I was out of the way as much as possible. But they don't have a whole lot of room here, so the only space that was available, I put it into it. All right, so let's go in here to check in, see whether they want me to uncouple or not, and then see what bay they want to put me in. So we just do what we can do. We still have about 45, 50 miles or 35 miles approximately to get down to Waxahachie after we leave here. And like I said, we're not going to be able to go anywhere unless they unless they already got the loaded trailer and just basically 5 minutes to check in, get tarped and whatnot, then check out. But I seriously doubt I'm going anywhere. So let me check in here and we'll get this done.